Hello modelers, today I will show you a mounting stand for cars or wheeled vehicles. This stand was created in cooperation with the company Vertigo Miniatures and Marcus Models. You can mount models from 1 to 12 to 1 to 84 scale to the stand, but I think it will not be a problem for models of smaller scale 8. The stand offers several options for attaching the model, and movement in the several axes is possible. But first is needed to be assembled. The assembly is not lengthy, but I still secured some joint with glue. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, click to subscribe.